Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Power analysis is an important part of designing your studies and is often required to indicate that you've established the feasibility of your study. As an a priori procedure, there's no data required in SPSS, so let's get started. We'll go under Analyze Power Analysis. There's many aspects. We're just going to do the one sample t-test. For my example, I want to determine if there's a change in human normal body temperature. Power is the probability that I will find true significance in my results. The null value, of course, is the established 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit that was determined back in the 19th century. And I want to do a study versus a temperature of 98.2. And the standard deviation has been established. We'll just say it's still 0.73. And our significance level will keep at the default of 0.05, and we'll say, okay. So this immediately tells me that the N, the number of people I need to survey or test, is 29 in order to have a significant result. Then we see the effect size, which is the difference in the means divided by the standard deviation is 0.5. In this case is considered moderate. So this may be feasible, so we may want to try again, and this is important to do. We may decide, okay, let's go for 0.90 as our power. And now we see our sample size requirement has gone up to 37, which is over 25% more. So this is the indication of how far we can go and how feasible this could be. And as you play around, for example, let's say we want to be 90% sure and that the difference actually is only 98.4 in our mean and the standard deviation is decreased. Let's just do this one. And now we see the requirement is 139. So much bigger sample required. And this is key. The key point to remember is that power analysis gives you the best case scenario given the assumptions and estimations you've given it. But we've been able to explore quite a bit and saved us from all those laborious calculations we learned about in statistics class. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.